Good morning, dear children. Once again, welcome to maths class. Last class we studied word problems from page number 36. First and second question we completed. Okay, next is fourth question. Okay, third question you do as homework. Okay, that is very simple. Fourth question: some cars and auto rickshaws are parked in a ground. Nandu says there are 100 wheels in all. Priya says there are 12 auto rickshaws. How many cars are there? In the question, some cars and auto rickshaws are parked in a ground. It is also given total 100 wheels. Total auto rickshaw and car total wheels is 100. Also given 12 auto rickshaws are there. Number of cars is not given, that we have to find it. Okay. So we will find the steps and like it. Okay. So first, total number of wheels. Total number of wheels, we know that 100 wheels. Okay, next, number of auto rickshaws. It is given that number of auto rickshaws are 12. Next, number of wheels of 12 auto rickshaws. We know that in an auto rickshaw, only 3 wheels. So 12 auto rickshaw, number of wheels of 12 auto rickshaw means 12 into 3 wheels. That is 12 into 3 is 3 2s are 6 and 1 3 is 3. So total 36 wheels for auto rickshaw. Okay, next, number of wheels of cars. Actually, we don't know the number of wheels of cars. So that is total 100 wheels. Then, now we got 36 wheels for auto rickshaw. So 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36 is 64. Correct. Okay. Next, now we got only 64 wheels remaining. Next, you have to find the number of cars. How can you find the number of cars? That means total wheels is now the remaining wheels. That is 64, and we know that in a car only 4 wheels. So 64 divided by 4. Okay. 64 divided by 4. Divide. Okay. 1 4 is 4. Then subtract 2. Next digit bring down, then 24. We know that in 24 6 4s are there. 6 4s are 24. Subtract. Now we got the quotient is 16. Now we got number of cars is 16 and number of auto rickshaw is 12. So total number of wheels is 100. Okay, understood the question. Second question. 8 rolls of cloth, each of 76 meters, are bought for boys' uniform or in a school. Each boy is to be given 4 meters. Using one roll, how many boys can be given cloth? How many boys using all the 8 rolls? So the question is given that the uniform is given for boys in a school. So total 8 rolls are there. Total 8 rolls are there. You know what is rolls? നിങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ഡ്രസ്സ് വിൽക്കുന്ന കടയിലൊക്കെ അല്ലേ, നമ്മുടെ ക്ലോത്ത് മാർട്സിലൊക്കെ ക്ലോത്തൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ റോൾ ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചേക്കുന്ന കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ നിങ്ങൾ? ചുറ്റി ചുറ്റി ഇങ്ങനെ അടുക്കി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? അപ്പം 1 roll 76 meters. Then like that 8 rolls are there. Then how many boys can use that 8 rolls? That is the question. So it is given that only 4 meter is given to 1 boy. Okay, we have to find the number of boys. Okay, first then we will write the steps and find it. Okay, first, length of 1 roll of cloth. That is given that it is 76 meter. 1 roll of cloth is 76 meter. Okay. Next, length of cloth given to 1 boy. So 1 boy is given 4 meter. 1 boy given to 4 meter. Next, number of boys can use 1 roll. That is total 1 roll is 76 and 1 boy getting 4 meter. Next, number of boys can use 1 roll means 76 divided by 4. Okay, 76 divided by 4. We know that in 7 only 1 time 4, then subtract 3. Next digit, that is 36. 9. 9 4s are 36. Okay, so 90. So using one roll 19 boys can use. Using one roll 19 boys can use. Then using 8 rolls. One roll ആണ് 19 boys യൂസ് ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത് 4 മീറ്റർ വീതം കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ. ഇനി അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 8 rolls ഉണ്ട്. That is total 8 rolls are there. Then one roll using 19 boys. So 8 roll using 19 boys. So multiply. 19 into 8 is equal to 152. So 8 rolls of cloth can use 152 boys. Understood all of you? Okay. Now all of you learn division of 2 digit with single digit. Okay. Next you have to learn division of 3 digit with single digit. Okay. We have some word problems. Page number 37. Okay. First question. If 168 is divided among 8, how much would each get? 168 rupees are there. It is divided equally among 8 children. Then how much would each get? That is division. We can directly do the division. That is 168 divided by 8. Okay. First you have to check in 1 how many 8s are there. We know that in 1 there is no 8. So you take the next digit also. That is 16. So in 16 how many 8s will come? In 16 how many 8 will come? We know that 2 times 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Subtract 0. Then next digit bring down. Then we know that 1 8 is 8. Subtract 0. Now we got the quotient is 21. That is 168 divided by 8 is equal to 21 is the quotient. Okay. Next question. If 75 pens are packed into 7 packets, how many pens would each packet have? The same model question. Division of 3 digit and single digit. That is total 175 pens and it is packed equally into 7 packets. Then how many pens would in each packet? That also you have to divide and find it. 175 divided by 7. 175 divided by 7. We know that one there is no 7, so take 17. We know that 2 7s are 40. 2 7s are 40. Then subtract 3. Then next digit bring down 35. We know that in 35 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Subtract. So 175 divided by 7 is equal to 25. Okay. So this model 2 questions also remaining that do as homework. Okay. This is very simple question. Okay. Thank you. See you next class. Have a nice day.